Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the pesky autofill feature in Google Sheets, but specifically for those important fixed cells where you really want your data to stay put. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock in your values so that when you drag to copy a cell, you won't get unexpected changes from Google's automatic formulas. Let's jump straight in. Now, if you've ever worked with Google Sheets, you've probably noticed that when you drag a cell that contains a formula, Sheets automatically tries to update the references for you. Sometimes that's awesome, it definitely speeds things up when you're working with similar patterns. But there are moments, especially with summary rows or fixed data points, where you want that number or formula to stay exactly the same no matter how you drag it. Annoyingly, there's no off switch in the settings to disable autofill for just one cell. If you try to simply delete the formula, sure, it removes the automatic update, but it also removes the formula you probably needed. Not ideal. But there's a neat little trick that lets you keep your formula, maintain your fixed value, and sidestep Google's autofill at the same time, and all it takes is a $sign. Let me show you exactly how this works. Imagine you've got a dataset for your monthly finances. Let's say it looks something like this. You have the months lined up in column A, January through May. Next to that, you've got your revenue, your expenses, and then finally your net profit or loss for each month. Pretty standard. Let's focus in on just one example to make things crystal clear. Look at the net profit loss for May. Maybe it's showing $1,200 and that value is generated by a formula subtracting expenses from revenue. Normally, if you click on that cell and drag it down or across, Google Sheets will automatically adjust the row or column numbers in the formula, thinking you want to reference the next cell. That's the scenario we want to avoid. Here where the magic happens. Select the formula in the cell for May's net profit loss, the one with $1,200. Within that formula, you'll see references to other cells like equals B6C6 or something similar. To lock your references, effectively telling Google, hey, keep looking at these cells no matter what I do, you need to add a $sign in front of both the column letter and the row number. So your formula should now read equals B$6 C$6. What this does is anchor both the column and the row, so even if you drag this cell around, Google Sheets knows to keep referring back to the exact same position every time. Once you've added the $signs, press Enter. Now try dragging that little blue square in the corner of the cell, the fill handle, down or sideways. Take a second to watch what happens. Unlike before where you'd see your formula reference shift and your values change, now that $1,200 stays exactly where it should. Autofill doesn't try to be clever anymore, it just copies the fixed formula, leaving you with exactly what you want. This technique, using $signs to freeze your cell references, is really handy when working with Google Sheets. Remember, you can use the before the column, before the row, or both, depending on what you want fixed. And don't sweat it if it takes a few tries to get used to. Google Sheets can be quirky, but a little practice goes a long way. So that's all there is to it. If you found this tip helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.